Old voices rise from distant time. Pattern shape before memory, trying to pull me back again. The mind resists the coming light, clings to control with all its might. Echoes of thoughts from long ago test the strength of what I know. Every step reveals the truth. Nothing here is small or new. What returns must be released, so the soul can finally lead. I stand steady through the fire. The soul remains, the will grows higher. What once ruled now falls away. Inner truth will always stay. The struggle sharpens inner sight. Each return prepares the light. What the mind refuses still must bow before the deeper will. This path allows no turning back. The soul must claim what it has lacked, not through force but clarity. The mind becomes humility. I stand steady through the fire. The soul remains, the will grows higher. The battle ends when truth is known. The soul now guides the mind it owns. What once resisted now aligns. The servant bows, the soul designs.